my boo? It is your girl STACIEWO. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel, welcome. As you can see, I already got my eyebrows and my eyes down. We about to get right into this red eye look, y'all. I'm so excited. Period. We're going to be starting off with the Carnival Palette. Y'all know I've been loving this palette, okay? Stacey Marie. And we're going to be starting with the color Inferno. And by the way, if you want to create this color, make sure y'all grab y'all any kind of red, girl. We don't discriminate, okay? But make sure you definitely pick up the M456 brush, baby, when you do it, period, okay? Placing that right here in the outer V. Sometimes I don't be having the placements right, but the more I learn how to do my eye, the more I know what I'm talking about. Okay, so this is the outer V. And we're gonna just continue to tap this, and we're gonna bring it all in the crease, boo. And I pack before I blend, okay? I lay it down before I get messy. So now, since we have that red succulent and down, we're gonna jump into a more fluffier, bigger brush. The higher you go, the bigger the brush. The lower you go, the smaller the brush, period. So next we're gonna be jumping into Shuffle. Make sure y'all see that color. Tap and blend it out. I don't know if I like that too much. I changed my mind. I'm going to jump into Lit. I'm trying to make this eye lit. I ain't playing, you dig? It's a nice mix. Trust your process. If it's not looking the way you envision, trust your process. I'm telling you, trust your process, period. And we're gonna bring that right over top, blend that right on out. And just keep the blending and the blending, you know what I'm saying? The blending it out. Now, since we have that down, I definitely want to jump back into that red, because we don't want to forget that this is a red eye. Let that orange know, like, we here, Cannon, like, we in the business. We're going to make sure that red is definitely prominent in this crease. All right, so now since we have that down, cover my lid, the front part of my lid, with that red, just like that. So these eyes can be really red. We're going to be taking some glitter and we're going to be winging these eyes all the way out. I'm going to be jumping into this black eyeliner. We're going to jump right into this duo of glue and we're going to lay it right over top of that line. Oh no! Oh my God, all the glitter fell out. I love these eyes. So first I'm going to be jumping into my Estee Lauder cream. This cream is amazing. Oh, it just coats that skin. All right, now since we have that down, we're going to be jumping into the Estee Lauder. This is the Double Wear Foundation in the color Deep Spice. Before we do foundation, we have to prime. I'm going to be jumping into, you already know, the Fenty Beauty. Yes, stamping this right on my face, just like Vizzy. Faux shizzy, okay? I really love the way these eyes came out. They look so pretty. I love red too on brown tone skin. It's so good. Oof, just something about this primer, baby. So now since we have that down, now we can jump into foundation, you know? All right, now we're gonna blend that out. Blend blend. Oh, it's something about this foundation, baby. So I'm just gonna take some Dark Deep really quick, just to set that foundation. It's always good to set it. I've been said it. All right, now we're going to be jumping into highlighting and contouring the face. So I had bought some new products. So I had got the Charlotte Tilbury concealer, this right here. Okay, keep twisting. Ooh, coverage. I love the brush. The brush is very soft. Okay, so now we want to see how she blends and do the edges first. Oh, this is a beautiful cup. Ooh, oh yes. Oh yes. Come on, Charlotte. I love when I try new stuff and it really like do good. The blending. Oh no, not the blending. Just to give me a little bit more of a highlight, I'm going to be jumping into this Fenty Beauty, and this is in the color 350. And I'm just gonna lay this just like this. And I'm going to take my Real Technique brush and I'm just going to blend over top of that. Shout out to my boo Lauren, okay? She hooked me up, okay? And it blends with Fenty very well, yes. Okay, so now really quick, we're going to be baking with the Fenty Beauty setting powder, and this is in the color Honey. So before I fully blend that in, we're going to be jumping into contour. So I bought a new thing for contour as well, and I picked up the Bobbi brown contour stick, honey. This is in the color Expresso. Oh yeah, and the Charlotte one that I got, that was in the dark 13, number 13. I've been looking for a real contour stick, you know. And we're just going to take a flat brush and blend that in really good. And I'm gonna just take some Dark Deep and set that contour. And now we're just going to take a little bit of setting powder and we're gonna carve that contour out just a little teeny bit. You know what I'm saying? All right, my boo, so I had to zoom in really quick because I wanted to show you guys how I'm going to do this under eye. We're going to just take some black eyeliner and we're going to line these eyes. We're going to jump right back into that red and just stamping that really close. And I'm going to tap in a little bit of that lit, blend the edges out with that. I'm going to take really quick some of this NYX glitter primer, and I'm gonna just take some of this primer, lay it right here. This red Valentine right here, we're going to be jumping into that for the inner corner. And then we're going to jump right into this Fair Play. Put it over top like that. Now we can jump into highlight and lip. And for highlight, you guys already know, whoa, this joint big as shit. We're going to be jumping into the Gold Luxe. So now I'm going to be jumping into the Morphe Trendsetter. Jumping into L. And I'm going to bronze this face just a little bit with my Mocha Mommy. Just to bronze it. Now I'm going to spray this face. So my boo, this is the final look. OMG, I'm really loving this sparkle wing. And if you is really loving this look and how it came out, make sure you do not forget to smash that like button down below and also leave me a comment. Also my boo, if you've made it this far to the video, girl, boy, subscribe, okay? You might as well. You know you love me, I love you too. Subscribe and also hit that notification bell button too, because you don't want to miss my upcoming videos and I need you to be notified, period. But with that being said, guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I love you guys so much. Don't forget to keep God first, and I will see you, boo, in my next video. Mwah. Peace.